Hello, everyone, and welcome to TNV Academy. In today's session, we will dive deep into how to get certified to ISO 23412 2020, the international standard for temperature controlled delivery services. Whether you are involved in the transportation of pharmaceuticals, food, or any other perishable goods, this certification can significantly boost your credibility and compliance. Over the next few minutes, we will walk step by step through the entire journey from preparation to audit and certification. Understanding ISO 23412 2020. ISO 23412 2020 is designed for organizations involved in road based refrigerated deliveries using thermal containers. The key focus is maintaining proper temperature control during transport to preserve product integrity. This standard is especially crucial for business handling perishable goods such as medicines, vaccines, dairy, seafood, and fresh produce. It ensures that transportation operations are not only efficient but also compliant with hygiene and safety standards. Who needs this certification? Any organization that provides temperature controlled last mile delivery services can benefit from this certification. This includes logistics service providers, pharma distributors, e commerce food delivery companies, and even third party cold chain operators. If your business is involved in handling sensitive items that require constant temperature monitoring, then ISO 23412 is highly relevant. Prerequisites before certification. Before starting the certification process, your organization must have a functional quality management system in place. Clearly define temperature sensitive products and the control measures used. Maintain records of vehicle hygiene, calibration, and container handling. Train staff in temperature control processes, emergency handling, and SOPs. It is important to also map your current practices against the standards clause to identify initial gaps. Step by step certification process. Step 1. Gap analysis. The first step is to conduct a gap analysis. This involves comparing your current practices with ISO 23412 requirements. You can do this internally or hire a consultant. The goal is to uncover compliance gaps in areas such as temperature tracking, vehicle cleaning, container validation, and documentation. Step 2. Management commitment. ISO 23412 certification requires top level commitment. Senior management must assign responsibilities, approve policies, and support the resource requirements for implementation. Without leadership backing, the certification process often fails to deliver long term results. Step 3. System design and documentation. Design a system based on ISO 23412 clauses. This involves developing documents such as SOPs for loading, unloading, temperature monitoring protocols, calibration schedules, cleaning procedures, emergency response plans. Each of these should be reviewed, approved, and distributed to relevant departments. Step 4. Training and awareness. Train your workforce, especially drivers, logistics, handlers, QA staff, and dispatch officers. Training should cover how to use temperature data loggers, emergency actions if temperature deviates, how to record and escalate issues, hygiene practices for refrigerated containers. Make training an ongoing activity with refresher sessions. Step 5. Implementation. Begin actual implementation of the documented process. Ensure your vehicle's packaging and thermal containers are validated for the expected temperature range. Your staff must follow the SOPs and all activities should be logged consistently. This stage usually lasts for 1 to 3 months to ensure the system is stable. Step 6. Internal audit. Conduct an internal audit to verify compliance. Identify non-conformities, if any, and take corrective actions. Internal audit should be based on an objective checklist covering all ISO 23412 clauses. Include sampling of documents, staff interviewers, and actual process walkthroughs. Step 7. Management review. After the internal audit, hold a management review meeting. Discuss audit findings, risk, customer feedback, and improvement actions. This review is necessary to demonstrate leadership involvement and continuous improvement. Step 8. Certification audit by external body. Now you are ready for the Stage 1 and Stage 2 audits by a certification body. Stage 1 audit checks document readiness and basic implementation. Stage 2 audit involves a full review of your live operations, compliance, records, and staff competence. If all goes well, the certification body issues a recommendation for certification. Choosing a certification body. Pick a certification body that is accredited and has experience in the cold chain or transportation sector. Look for ISO 17021 accreditation, experience in ISO 23412 audits, clear pricing and audit schedule, reputation for practical industry relevant audits. Engage early with a certification body to plan timeliness and expectations. Cost of ISO 23412 certification. Cost vary depending on the size and complexity of your operation, the number of vehicles and the certification body. Typically, costs include gap analysis, optional, consultant fees if hired, audit fees, stage 1 plus a stage 2, surveillance audits in following years. Budgeting is important, especially if you are a startup or mid-sized firm. Post-certification requirements. Once certified, the journey doesn't end. You need to conduct regular internal audits annually or biannually, maintain training records and temperature logs, update SOPs based on technology changes or process revisions. Prepare for surveillance audits typically every year. Sustaining the system is the key to long-term benefits. Common pitfalls to avoid. Many companies fail to get certified due to lack of management support, poor documentation, inadequate staff training, unclean or unvalidated thermal containers, inconsistent record keeping. Plan in advance and assign clear responsibilities to avoid these issues. Benefits of certification. Getting ISO 23412 certified brings multiple advantages. Increased customer trust and regulatory compliance, better product quality control, streamlined logistics operations, market differentiation and competitive edge, readiness for global partnerships and exports. To summarize this, we can say that getting ISO 23412 certified is not just about passing an audit. It is about building a strong, efficient, and compliant delivery system. From designing the process to staff training and auditing, every step matters. If done right, this certification can become a strategic asset for your business. For more in-depth guidance, templates, and ISO-related training, subscribe to TNV Academy and hit the bell icon. And I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.